Volkswagen Touran second generation. Now we are going to replace the wing mirror, the whole unit. If you need to replace just a wing mirror glass, see my other video, I have a video for that as well. To remove door mirror, you'll have to first remove the inside door trim. Yes, I know, the whole trim just for one mirror. Before you do anything, make sure your window is open. The door trim is held by 3 bolts and 8 clips. One bolt is located behind this trim strip here, another one behind the door handle, and another one is quite simple, it's just this one here. T20, T20 and T30 up down there. Let's see what kind of tools do we need for this job. I bought this lot on eBay for a couple of quid. So far it allows me to do anything on a trim. Then we need screwdriver, Torx T30 and T20 star head screwdriver. And also there is a risk, maybe not so big, but there is a risk of breaking door clips. So I bought them from dealership. They cost like 83 pence each, so I bought few of them just in case. They called door trim clips. Ask your dealership, but you might not need them. It's good to have a couple of those just in case. First we start on removing this trim. Start at the back. It held on 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. 2 hooks as well here. Even though it sits tight, it's not that easy to break it, so don't be afraid, just pull it out. There is nothing to break. These hooks, when they catch this plastic, all clips are out, so don't worry about it. There are 2 plastic bits that go inside here, so that's why you start at the back and then open this. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this plastic bit just behind the handle. It is revealing T30 bolt in there. Now we are going to remove this T30. Grab it with something. There we go. Don't lose your bolts. Then another T20 just at the bottom here. And T20 just here. Remember which bolt goes where. The small one goes at the top, the big one at the bottom. They both T20, but they are a bit different in size here. Now the tricky bit, 8 clips. There are 8 clips go on a side. What you do is start from the bottom ones and move aside to the side clips. Put this in and find where the clip is. Some places you can push it quite far, some places is like this, so you can just, or you can use 2 tools at the same time and just one. I found another one here, so you just there we go. Now we just unclip all clips. So with the old clips undone on the perimeter here, you lift the top bit here. What we have here is few electric connectors, so keep holding the trim so you don't hang it on wires. To remove this one, 2 levers on the side, on sides, and just push it out. Like that. Squeeze them and it comes out. Then you can undo this electric connector, push this little catch in so you can push the whole thing on. This is how it works. Okay, push this in and then it comes out. Now we are left with the Bowden cable, this bit here that operates your door. To remove it, simply this little plastic bit, push it back and then it comes out. Easy. And that's your door trim off. Easy peasy. Let's see what's the damage we have done to the catches. These are alright. There is one left in the door, so we're gonna remove it now. There we go. It broke, that's alright. We have some spare ones. It appears that I was wrong and the manual I have was wrong about the amount of clips we have. There's only 7. 1, 2, 3. Put the new one in. 4, 5, 6. And we put the new one here. One more important thing I have to mention about these clips: when you push the trim back in, make sure they are in upper position, not this one lower. It will be not possible to push it back in. So take a screwdriver and just put them all up. This whole catch doesn't seem to fit the new clip, so I'm gonna leave it like that. There is bolt anyway. I don't know what is it for. There was no clip anyway. Maybe this is faulty. If you can fit clip here, then do it. Now we are going to unclip this plastic cover here. There we go. 3 little plastic clips. 1, 2, 3. This couple stickers, I'm gonna put them back later. They hide behind them 2 bolts that hold the mirror. Now this is a tricky bit, how to disconnect mirror electric plug if you don't know how to do it. This red bit, you pull it towards yourself so you can push this black top bit down and then remove the connector. Now let's undo these 2 bolts. This one looks like 12-star head screwdriver. I found that T40 fits here, so I'm gonna use T40 to undo it. And the other one. The problem I find with the second bolt is that even when it's completely unscrewed, it doesn't come out of this hole. So if you have good fingers, you can try to take it out through this hole. I've done that before. And or use something magnetic so you don't drop it inside, otherwise it will be trouble to get it out. I have this little piece of magnet. I don't have magnetic screwdriver. If you have one, then good for you. I'm gonna undo it with the fingers because it's loose already, and then take it out. Here we go. That was easy. I don't know why do they have to do it so difficult, but there you go. The other bolt is out. To remove these clips, you just squeeze it with something, or you can push some like a screwdriver, and then they will come out like that. Now let's remove the mirror. To remove the mirror, you just lift the bottom bit and then push it down. Here we go. The mirror is out. Now let's put it back in the reverse sequence. Wire goes back in. Putting mirror back in, top bit goes first underneath, and then you push it here. I'll start with the top bolt because it's reasonable, and put these clips back in, and the connector thing and red thing goes back in. Tightening torque for this was 12 Newton meters. Now my favorite bit. Shame I don't have a magnetic screwdriver. As long as we start it, you can help with your finger. That's it. Screwdriver. Now let's put the stickers back on. If you have damaged these stickers, you can use any like pieces of duct tape. That even manual says so, so don't worry about the stickers. There we go. Now let's put this plastic cover back in. Nice and easy. Check again that all your clips are in upper position. Then we can reconnect all the cables. One Bowden cable, quite simple, just clicks in as well, like that, and then the little connector that goes into here. You can't put it up wrong way around because of this sticking out plastic bit, so it's all well done. And then make sure everything is happy in there, and then the put with the top bit overlapping. What I mean is this top bit should overlap this metal. See? Remember about the clips. Now make sure that all clips inside match the holes. This one, make sure your clips in this position, not in this. So make sure you pull them up before you do it. So, and then clip all the clips back into the position. T30 bolt goes right in there, and we don't drop it. Don't drop it inside the trim. Take a longer screwdriver. And with the shaking hands, slide it back in. Tight, but not too tight, it's only trim bolt. Then we take T20s. Little one goes in here. And another one at the bottom here. There we go. Now let's put this trim back in. Front bit goes first in here, and then 3 clips. 1, 2, and 3. A little plastic cover for the behind the door handle. Just clips in. Easy peasy. More stuff about this car, some other cars, especially about this car, see my website wilsonmotors.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.